Hey there, it's Brian, and I'm out and about going up and down the coast of California, and it's still raining. Just came from Carmel, California, and now I am in Piedras Blancas, California, which I didn't even know this place until I just pulled up and I saw all these people were getting out of their cars and coming over here because we are at the Piedras Blancas Northern Elephant Seal Rookery. Apparently there are 200,000 of these sea elephants that are in existence, and since 1990, 25,000 of them have been coming here every year, and now we're gonna check it out. Let's see what happens. It says here that these sea elephants weigh about 1,600 pounds. The male is up to 5,000 pounds. Torpedo-shaped bodies reduce drag in the water. Thick blubber insulates from icy water. Specialized eyes provide vision in low light. I'll do my very best. Oh my God, look at this. And they come here every year to mate and rest. And they've been doing this since 1990. Piedras Blancas, California. You have to excuse any of the rain on the lens. They say that they eat nothing when they're on the beach. They only eat when they're out, and they're only social when they're on the beach. When they're out in the ocean, they're very solitary creatures. This is so wild that this is right here off of Pacific Coast Highway. And this goes on and on all the way over there to the edge of the beach. So it's just amazing. The state of California has built this walkway all the way to the very end, so you can literally just go up and down here and see these amazing creatures. Just, wow, hello, how are you? I think he knows that we're talking about him. This guy right there. Hey, buddy. Okay, I'll leave you alone. You can see all the people. Well, that's going to do it for me from a rainy Piedras Blancas, Northern Elephant Seal Rookery off the coast of California. It's a rainy day, but we got to see some really cool critters. I think these guys want to be alone. I'm Brian, thanks for tuning in. If you like these adventures, make sure to click on the Patreon link below, and we'll see you next time on There You Go with Brian.
Something old, something new, something for me, something for you. It's a big, big world. Let's check it out.
How are you? I think he knows that we're talking about him. This guy right there.